Hello friend, welcome to our Fact of Universe. Nowadays, no one has time. For that, we have a solution. We will pour your mind with facts and knowledge within few minutes. Today we will talk about 15 facts about metals. So let's get started. Fact number 1. Do you know the most expensive metal on earth? If not, don't worry. The answer is rhodium. It costs about more than 800 US dollar per gram and it is highly resistant to corrosion. Fact number 2. The strongest metal on earth is tungsten. Its melting point is 3422 degrees Celsius. It is a super dense material and almost impossible to melt. So it is found in light bulb in your house. Fact number 3. Have you heard about francium? The interesting thing about francium is that it is the rarest metal found on earth. It becomes more rare because of its instability, which reduces its half-life, that is for 22 minutes only. So it is radioactive and have no practical use except in laboratory. Fact number 4. Gold is called as king of metal. You know why? Because it is expensive, looks shiny, and high resistance to corrosion. Does not react with most of the elements on the earth except from few. Fact number 5. Ferrous or iron is the most abundant metal on earth. It is mostly present in earth's core, that is 80%, and the total amount of iron estimated is more than 230 billion tons of pure iron. Fact number 6. Have you ever heard about liquid metal? What? Liquid metal? Yes, mercury is only one liquid metal that exists in liquid form at room temperature. But don't touch it. It is poisonous. Fact number 7. Have you ever thought what would be the first metal that was discovered by human? Copper. 10,000 years from today, it has been first discovered by human at northern part of the today's Iraq. Fact number 8. Titanium is the metal of future. It is also called as wonder metal because of its low density and high tensile strength. Titanium is as strong as steel but 45% lighter and it is the ninth abundant metal found on earth. Fact number 9. The highest radioactive metal is polonium and high lethality. Due to its high radioactive property, it glows blue. Fact number 10. Are you thinking about radioactive metal till now? Then here is another interesting fact. Thorium is the most abundant radioactive metal on the earth. It is about 3 times more than that of the uranium present on earth. Fact number 11. Let's talk about vanadium. It is very hard. So it is most widely used metal in portable artillery and bulletproof jacket in World War I. Quite interestingly, vanadium was discovered twice and only 3 countries like Russia, South Africa and China possess 98% of it. In our food also it is present. Foods like mushroom, shellfish, black pepper, beer, wine, etc. But don't be scared because it is very less. Now you can enjoy your favorite meal. Fact number 12. You will be surprised when you will be told that metal can beat like our heart. Yes, it's gallium. It is very soft too. Moreover, gallium expands when it freezes. Fact number 13. If I ask you, does metal save life? What? That's true. In a lab in Glasgow, in United Kingdom, one man intent on proving that metal-based life is possible. He has managed to build cell-like bubbles from giant metal containing molecules and given them life-like properties. And he is none other than Dr. Jagdish Chandra Bose. So be proud to be an Indian. Fact number 14. Beryllium. The most interesting thing about beryllium is that it is invisible to X-rays. Fact number 15. The last metal in our list. is ruthenium. This is the metal that can burn forever. When it is combined with methane, it burns for a long period of time. So that's it for today. If you are interested about your own facts, and comment below with a fact, we will post the facts in our ongoing videos.